after the studies? You don't need a job? Hey, all of you need a well reputed job in your life? Yes. That is achieving stage. Your parents, your sister, your brother, all of you, your college concern, all people are waiting for. Enter into the achieving stage, but never skip between learning, practicing, doing stages. Okay, give a big round of hand. And you command right now. What I need is on this subject individually pass some commands. When we do bad things, when you do good things, have you ever listened any commands from your head? You tell me, any commands you listen when someone flicking 50 rupees from your friend's back, what the any commands, silent commands you received before doing that? Nobody will tell yes now, because then that means you did flicking anytime. Forget, my friends. Everybody might have done little bit misuse here and there, isn't it? So whether you might have received a command or not, all the commanders here, how many commanders we have here? So to the commanders I am asking, whenever any mischief, have you ever received a command from your head? Don't do it. You received or not? Yes. I think all your team members also can listen what you are commanded. But now, sit down. Now what I remind all of you, right from today, pass every day 5 to 10 commands. You have to pass very good commands. Have you seen children are getting trained in LKG, UKG, pre-nursery? Have you seen? Have you ever visited such type of centers? How much those teachers, pre-KG, and how much they are struggling? I asked the principal of a school, sir, we pay the highest salary to the pre-KG. Not 10th standard? Not the 10th standard? Not the 9th pre-nursery teachers? Highest salary. You tell me why? Oh, no, they are well organized children. They are well organized children. Is it? Isn't it? They are well organized. Just you tell sit down, they'll sit. Or you are like that in your pre-KG? My friend, most disorganized, always be dealt in some Kachara language, isn't it? Like full humbug in the classroom. They run around. I went to telephone office just near to that. Kinder, the teacher will go to the last end. Finally, after reaching the last end, seeing the other end, half are not there in the circle. Again, he's telling. So many people standing with the outdoor games I took. All people standing, smiling. Again, well educated lady. Again, she will go. You stand here. Again, start line. Finally, the teacher is getting fed up. You look into that particular level, particular stages, where the children, they get formed, and how that the teacher is working out. Most disorganized, most this thing, but commands work there. In our childhood, I think commands work very well. Nowadays, due to the rules and regulations, some teachers and professors are scared. Hey, can I pass the command? No. But I tell you, my friends, even I will tell you very strongly, even in college time, let the professors, let the principal, let the chairman, let the director of the institution pass commands. Let the followers obey the commands. And those commands are going to make 12 disciplined students. And you see what type of career they have in their life. They will not be disorganized in a company. They will have the best code of dress. They will have the well-equipped formation. Their attitude will be the best because they followed the commands. We cannot behave at the age of 19, 20, 25, 30, 40, at the age of 50 like kindergarten kids. The chairman told something and we are doing the opposite. So the lack of commands. So we have the commanders here. I just appointed them. They have no work in seminar. I just appointed them basically to remind you, you should have come. I wish all these college concerned people to have lot of commands passed. It is with all respect, with all love and affection. It is not just done to spoil you. It is being done to discipline you. It is being done to make you very successful citizens. Am I correct? So do you have any problem to obey a command? Okay, you hate a command. Nothing can be done, my friends. Papa gave you a command in childhood. You did what type of Papa? This is modern age. Sir, in this age, this type of command doesn't work. Half day we study, half day we go to movie. Half day we do study, half day we go to swimming pool. We do this and that, sir. Please don't pass any commands. So what I wish you all the best, my friends. Follow commands. Otherwise, follow self-command. When we move on to the next subject, what is this? Time management. How many of you have already in your diary? In your diary, you have time management. I really appreciate it. Sir, we have written all these things, sir. Kindly understand, sir, we are all studying students. We cannot follow the way you follow, isn't it? We need to follow in college time management. But let me ask you, you are on examination hall. You are on professor, you are on guide, supervisor told 9 to 12. Okay. Your name is? Hello. Yes. Time management, sir. I wrote it, sir. I wrote the time, sir. But I could not follow, sir. Mark sheet I received. In the mark sheet I am finding only half of the questions are answered. So I called him. I asked him, "Hey, what happened, gentlemen? You are very good in seminar. You are very good in this and that." I'm not telling him he'll write full exams and he'll get very good marks. But I called him. I asked, "Sir, I have written very good time management, sir. But what happened? First 5 questions I answered. Full time finished, sir." How can you give 25 questions, sir? 25 questions and 3 hours. Is it possible? Sir, next time when you give question papers, sir, only 5 questions. Okay. So, Siddesh, what about others, my friend? They have all answered 25 questions. That is how, sir, miraculous it is. I wrote 5 answers, they have written 25 answers. Okay, time management is needed in the examination hall? Yes. Is it needed or not? Yes. The rest of the time management is not needed. You tell me. What is the difference in ordinary life and examination hall? 10 years. I seen my missus collect question papers of 10 years. 10 years question papers, spiral binding, big booklets, and training the students. See, you answered this question. How much time you took last week? Oh, last week you took this question. No, you shall not take so much time. Time management you learn by answering the old question papers. Who is teaching? Mommy, Papa teaching. making you aware about time management and setting into examination hall. Now, we have time management here. Sir, forget about the subject, let us have some fun. So what we do right now, we'll ask again, then we'll come back to time management. Because time management is very tricky. Because if you are being placed in time management, you will be little bit nervous at home in college because you will not find time for extracurricular activities. You understand? So time management, we will skip or not? We will skip or we will go to the next subject or we will follow up later? Very tricky, my friend, this is time management. It is, see sir, we are all studying in college. Now you are going to put us in time management. It is problem, sir. So let us go to some games. Okay? Then we'll come back. Yes? Yes or no?